What if I told you that you could go from zero to making $500 a month using just AI tools? In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to start from scratch and build a steady $500/month income with tools powered by AI. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or just someone looking for a new income stream, this is 100% beginner-friendly and totally doable. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new way to earn smarter. Let's get into it. Choose your AI money-making method. The first crucial step is choosing the right income stream that aligns well with your personal goals, skills, and available time. For many beginners, content creation offers one of the simplest and most accessible ways to start earning money online. Using AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude, you can efficiently produce blog posts, social media updates, email newsletters, and website copy for businesses that constantly need fresh content to engage their audiences. Many companies are willing to pay between $50 and $200 per piece of content, depending on length and complexity, making this a lucrative option for consistent income. Another highly profitable avenue is social media management. Here, you use AI to generate engaging posts, catchy captions, and even develop strategies to boost interaction and follower growth for businesses. Social media managers typically charge between $300 and $800 per client per month, depending on the scope of work. By leveraging AI tools, you can manage multiple accounts more effectively and deliver results-driven content on a regular schedule. Freelance writing enhanced by AI allows you to significantly speed up your workflow. With AI handling the initial drafts, research, and idea generation, you can complete projects in about half the time it would normally take, all while maintaining high-quality standards. This efficiency lets you take on more clients and increase your earnings without burning out. Master these essential AI tools. ChatGPT is your content creation powerhouse. Use it for writing, brainstorming, and problem-solving. The key is learning effective prompting techniques. Instead of asking, "Write a blog post," try write a 1,000-word blog post about digital marketing trends for small businesses. Include actionable tips and real examples. Claude excels at longer-form content and research. It's perfect for creating detailed guides, reports, and comprehensive articles. Jasper AI specializes in marketing copy and can generate high-converting sales pages, ads, and email sequences. Copy.ai is excellent for social media content and quick marketing materials. Canva's AI features help create stunning visuals without design skills. Use Magic Design and Background Remover to create professional graphics. Loom combined with AI transcription tools helps you create video content and tutorials quickly. Build your service portfolio. Start by defining 3 core services you'll offer. Content writing packages work well, offer blog posts, social media content, and email newsletters as bundles. Price them at $150 $400 per package, depending on volume and complexity. Social media management is highly scalable. Create monthly packages that include content creation, posting schedules, and engagement strategies. Most businesses pay $400 $800 monthly for comprehensive social media management. Virtual assistant services are in huge demand. Offer email management, appointment scheduling, research tasks, and basic administrative support. You can handle 5 to 8 clients simultaneously using AI tools to streamline workflows. Create clear service descriptions, pricing tiers, and sample work. Build a simple portfolio website using AI-generated content and templates. This establishes credibility and makes you look professional from day one. Find your first clients. Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting platforms. Create optimized profiles, highlighting your AI-enhanced capabilities. Don't hide that you use AI. Position it as an advantage that lets you deliver faster, higher quality work. LinkedIn is a goldmine for B2B clients. Share valuable content about AI tools and how they benefit businesses. Connect with small business owners and offer free consultations. Many will convert to paying clients. Cold outreach works if done right. Research businesses in your niche and offer specific solutions to their problems. Use AI to personalize your outreach messages and create compelling proposals. Local networking events and online communities are underutilized. Join Facebook groups, Discord servers, and Reddit communities where your target clients hang out. Provide value first, then mention your services naturally. Scale your income systematically. Once you land your first few clients, focus on delivering exceptional results. Happy clients become repeat customers and refer others. Use AI tools to exceed expectations, deliver faster turnarounds, additional insights, and bonus materials. Raise your rates every 2 to 3 months as you gain experience and testimonials. Most freelancers undercharge initially. A $50 blog post should become $100, then $150 as your skills and reputation grow. Create passive income streams by developing AI-generated digital products. Templates, guides, and courses sell well. Use your client work experience to create valuable resources others will pay for. Build systems and templates for repetitive tasks. Say successful prompts, create workflow checklists, and develop standard operating procedures. This lets you take on more clients without working more hours. Optimize your workflow. Time management is crucial for hitting $500 monthly. Use AI to automate repetitive tasks like research, first drafts, and basic editing. This frees up time for high-value activities like client communication and business development. Create content calendars and project templates. Use tools like Notion or Airtable to track projects, deadlines, and client communications. AI can help generate project timelines and milestone tracking. Batch similar tasks together. Write all blog posts on Mondays, handle social media on Tuesdays, and focus on client calls on Wednesdays. This reduces context switching and increases productivity. Set up automated invoicing and payment systems. Use tools like PayPal, Stripe, or FreshBooks to streamline financial processes. AI can help generate professional invoices and track payments. Common mistakes to avoid. While AI tools are powerful, they should never be used without human oversight. Always take time to review, refine, and edit any AI-generated content before delivering it to clients. Remember, clients aren't paying for raw machine output. They're paying for your expertise, judgment, and the added value you bring through your personal insights and industry knowledge. It's your role to make sure the final product is accurate, relevant, and tailored to your clients' needs. Avoid the common mistake of underpricing your services just to win clients. Many beginners believe that charging less will help them gain traction, but this often leads to burnout and undervaluing your work. Instead, focus on demonstrating the value you bring, fast turnaround, professional quality, AI-enhanced efficiency, and strategic thinking. When you position yourself as an expert who uses AI as a tool, not a crutch, you can confidently charge rates that reflect your true worth. Strong client relationships are essential, even in an AI-driven business. While AI can handle the heavy lifting of tasks like writing, design, or data processing, it's you who manages communication, trust, and understanding. Regular updates, thoughtful check-ins, and a genuine interest in your client's success go a long way. These human touches are what transform one-time projects into long-term, high-value partnerships. Also, be cautious not to overextend yourself by taking on too many clients too quickly. It's tempting to scale fast, but doing so without the right systems can hurt your quality and reputation. It's far better to serve a few clients exceptionally well than to deliver mediocre results to many. High-quality work naturally leads to glowing testimonials, client referrals, and the ability to raise your rates over time, allowing your business to grow sustainably and successfully. So now you've got the roadmap from $0 to $500 a month with AI tools, step by step. Which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments or drop your questions if you're just getting started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our journey. Amazing content is coming every week.